Let's talk about a complete 180 in the weather. We are seeing completely different conditions than what we saw this time yesterday. Beautiful clear skies and lots of sunshine out there. Yesterday we were pretty sunk in and we saw a lot of fog hanging out all the way through till about lunchtime for some spots. Myrtle Beach cleared out relatively early, but out in the PD they kind of saw that lingering fog for the majority of the first half of their day. Taking a live look out at the boardwalk right now, you can see we are having a little bit of a breeze out there as we take a look at those flags. But aside from that, it is a beautiful day, clear skies out there, and lots of sunshine. Temperature-wise, it's still kind of cool. We're seeing about 40 degrees, 43 degrees here in Myrtle Beach. Dew point sitting at 40, so it's pretty quiet, a little on the chilly side, so as you're leaving the house, you might want to grab a jacket, but later on this afternoon, it's actually going to be a little bit warmer and a little bit more comfortable. Like I mentioned, a little bit of a breeze out there right now at about 8 miles per hour out of the west-southwest. Last night, we saw a little bit of a quick downpour kind of roll through the region. That dropped about 0.11 inches of rain. All in all, just kind of quickly moved through. No, we did not need any extra rain, but it happened anyway, and we are expecting more rain to be moving through the area for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Checking out your hour-by-hour forecast, we are expecting more sunshine throughout the day. Those temperatures, like I mentioned, just a little bit warmer than what we saw for yesterday, closer to above average. And then for tomorrow, we're going to continue that warming trend, closer up to the 60s. Overnight tonight, we remain mostly clear, and as we head towards tomorrow morning, those temperatures will be dropping down into the 30s as far as the numbers are concerned, right where we are supposed to be. Right now, looking at the rest of the area, 41 for Conway as well as for Florence, Hartsville sitting at 37 degrees. Again, not too bad compared to where we were yesterday. The day before that, we saw those temperatures down below freezing. Visibility is a lot better. We're seeing 10 miles for visibility for the majority of the area, a little bit of a haze and a little bit of a light fog for a few spots. As we look forward to Florence, they're looking at 8 miles of visibility, 9 for Hartsville, 7 for Laurinburg. Again, we did see those temperatures drop down last night, kind of close to those dew points, but just not nearly as much moisture this morning as what we saw yesterday. And as we look forward to tomorrow morning, we will not be seeing any fog at all. A couple of clouds, but really not too bad. Highs later on this afternoon, it is going to be absolutely beautiful. Mixed with all of that sunshine, it's going to be feeling more like an early spring type of day. Temperatures up to about 58 for Myrtle Beach, 60 for Conway as well as for Florence. Tomorrow will be even warmer. These temperatures are just a slightly above average. We're normally looking at about 55 to 56 degrees. That'll be a little bit closer for Laurinburg as well as for Cheraw, but all in all, just very quiet and beautiful Thursday afternoon. Beach forecast, if you're planning on getting out there, hitting the water, it's going to be a pretty good day. We're not seeing any small craft advisories or anything like that. Water temperature not too bad at 52 degrees. Wind out of the west about 10 to 15 miles per hour, so a nice light breeze, nothing too crazy. Water not too choppy either, only waves at about 2 to 3 feet, so pretty good out there. Excellent conditions, UV index only at about a 3, which is considered moderate for this time of year. Checking out that satellite and radar, the reason we saw some of that rain that moved through last night was because of this low pressure system that kind of formed just off the coast. Good news is that's going to continue to move further off to the east and away from our area, and we're seeing a very quiet gap in the weather stretching all the way back towards parts of Arkansas and down into parts down towards Dallas and Texas. That is our next weather maker though, and it will be moving closer to our area as we look forward to tomorrow afternoon. But before we get there, lots of sunshine and those temperatures just a little bit warmer. Like I mentioned, this low pressure system is going to continue to move further off to the east and away from our area. Lots of sunshine on the way for today. Even overnight tonight, we remain pretty much clear. But this cold front will be moving through our area. Relatively speaking, this is a pretty weak cold front. It's not going to cause a drastic change in the temperatures. Also not going to be causing any thunderstorms. But we will be seeing a couple of scattered showers rolling through tomorrow afternoon after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon through till about 5 p.m. is when we're going to see that chance for rain. Behind this front, things are going to be pretty quiet. We are going to see some wraparound chances for some snow showers up in the mountains, but for us for Saturday, it's going to be pretty quiet. Just a couple of clouds out there. Cooler, but really seasonable compared to what we are going to be seeing for tomorrow afternoon. Futurecast for today, we continue to see that wind out of the west, so some drier air moving into the area. Overnight tonight, we start to see that wind kind of shift a little bit more to the south ahead of that cold front. That'll lead to a couple more clouds rolling in for the first half of your Friday, but you'll be starting off the day with some sunshine out there. As that front moves closer to our area, we will be seeing the chance for those showers rolling in right around 2 p.m. through till about 5 or 6 p.m. is when we're going to see that shower chance start to clear out. By tomorrow evening, 9 o'clock, already seeing some more clear skies. That cloud coverage goes with it, but we will be seeing some cooler air kind of sinking down behind this front as we see some cooler temperatures for your Saturday and Sunday, mostly clear skies and lots of sunshine on the way for the weekend. As far as rainfall totals, like I mentioned, not a very strong front, not going to be seeing much in the way of heavy rain. It's just going to be a quick little drizzle here or there, which is good because we really don't need any extra rain for our area. Lots of mud out there, also dealing with some localized flooding in a few spots in those low-lying areas. As far as what we're going to pick up by Saturday, you're looking at about 0.12 inches for Conway, less than 0.05 inches for Myrtle Beach, even less for North Myrtle Beach. 0.2 for Florence, our highest total, that's going to be up towards Lumberton, and even then, still looking at less than 1/2 of an inch. It'll be pretty quick with the speed that it goes through. Also not expecting much in the way of heavy rain. 7-day forecast, we continue that warming trend through till tomorrow. Like I said, some spots going to be up towards the 60s. Some sunshine to start off the day and clear skies to finish it off, but right in the afternoon and evening, you'll start to see a couple more clouds popping up, as well as the chance for those showers and thunderstorms. For Saturday and Sunday, we will be seeing some more sunshine on the way, but things do cool down behind that front, back down into the low 50s, so a little bit below those normals for this time of year. Looking forward to the start of next week. More sunshine is on the way. Temperatures back up towards normal. All in all, a great afternoon on the way today. A little bit of a small chance for some rain tomorrow, followed by lots of sunshine for the weekend. We will be back right after the break.